I'm Eric Birch from miningclips.com, and I'm here at the PDAC convention in Toronto, and I'm speaking with Brent Cook, the editor of Exploration Insights. Welcome back.
Well, it's good to see you in PDAC.
Yes. Last time we spoke, you were looking to add companies to your portfolio, your personal portfolio, that had cash in the bank and excellent technical teams that would be able to execute on that. What criteria do you have a checklist that you go through when you're looking at companies?
If we're talking about early stage exploration, everything, but most definitely in early stage exploration, probably number one is they've got to have a concept and a target that makes sense. If they're successful and right, that is meaningful to the share price, and most importantly, that they know what it is they're looking for looks like. So many people don't really know what they're looking for or what it looks like, and so they'll just keep drilling and drilling and drilling or doing whatever without standing and go, wait a minute, this is not working. So that's why so much money gets wasted. So yeah, that's key, that I know what they're looking for, but more importantly, they know what they're looking for and what it looks like.
Right. And do you have any favorites that you've come across over the last month or two that you'd like to share with us?
Well, certainly one company that I've held for a long time, and the president I know real well, Steve Nano, Mirasol Resources. Probably in the top 5 of all exploration groups that I know. They've got $22 million in the bank. They've got 2 joint ventures, one in Chile, one in Argentina, where major companies, AngloGold and Yamana, are spending money on their ideas to earn into their properties.
Right.
And they're big targets. Big targets. If they're successful, they'll make a difference to Mirasol. So yeah, certainly that's one.
Excellent. And recently we've seen gold come up a little bit, and that's really translated into higher share prices for the major mining companies. Barrick, even Teck, which is in the base metal sector, and Freeport-McMoRan. We've seen share prices double or so there, and many come off the bottom. Do you think that our gold rally here is sustainable, or is this just a dead cat bounce? It's tough to say.
I think something fundamentally has changed in the global markets, the currency markets. The major markets are rolling over. U.S. dollar starting to roll over. I should say the gold price is appreciating versus the U.S. dollar. We've got 0 to negative interest rates. All those things are important. What we're seeing in Canada, I mean, we picked Joe Mazumda, who is now working with me. He came on in December. We picked 2 companies, he did, Claude and Lakeshore, that we bought for a lot of reasons, and they've both been taken over. So that's the place to be, and that's what we're focusing on. And I think, one last company that we still own and hasn't been taken over is Kaminak Gold, with their 3 million ounces in the Yukon. Mm-hmm. So, that's what's happening right now, and it's you want to be in front of that, so it's good.
Excellent. Well, as always, Brent, thank you for joining us and sharing your thoughts with us today.
Thanks, Eric.
For miningclips.com, I'm Eric Birch.